Hi everyone, this is Sai Fernindra from SQL School, and this is regarding a short video on our Azure Data Engineering. To plan your upskill activity, if in case you are looking for the best trending technology or a safe landing of your next profile activity, or if you are looking for the highly paid job role, Azure Data Engineering, it's all into big data and cloud. It works the best. In our classes, in my particular classes of Azure Data Engineering, I will be walking you through practically, okay, practically, I'll be walking you through right from the Azure fundamentals to Azure storage, data factory, Synapse, Databricks, Unity catalog, medallion architecture, end-to-end BI implementations, and Azure Stream Analytics, IoT, Internet of Things, IoT hubs, IoT streams, event hubs, and action groups, notifications, lot of such amazing examples I am going to make you practically involved in our classes. And trust me, no PPTs, no slideshows, straight into the practice part, right from second half of first class. Let's have a live demo session. Let's understand more about our classes. Sorry, more about my classes. I'll be walking you through everything practically step by step. I'm just restating the statement. I mean it. 100% practical, 100% real time, step by step. And of course, job assistance comes automatically with our dedication and effort in admiring and beautifying this great technology. Come on, let's meet live for a demo class, and you see the schedules on my screen right now. And very important item, okay, before we wind up, I want interested, dedicated participants in my classes. Let's make it live. Let's make it useful. Thank you so much. And I'll be seeing you there, waiting for you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Bye-bye. Take care.